Indians and my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of it. Rich and very hurted. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall to my parents, teachers, and all elders respect. I'll treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge muddy ocean. India's well-being and prosperity. Along lies my happiness.
International and national news is brought to you by 100th of Grade 7 Jasper. International news. India refit is painful for common friend Australia. Australia High Commissioner to Indian. National news. PM announces 2 lakh compensation for family of Andhra train accident. Bomb blast kills 2 people, injures 41 worshippers at Jehovah's Witnesses Convention in Kerala's Kalamaris. Thank you. Have a good day.
Today's state and sport news is brought to you by II of Grade 7 Jasper. State news. The senior most leader in Telangana, Sri Nagam Janardhan Reddy, quits the Congress party and joined in PRS. Tomorrow is last date for enrollment as a new vote in Telangana. Sport news. India defeats England by 100 runs and enters into the World Cup 2023 semi-finals. Haaland double leads City to 3-0 win over US in Manchester Derby. Thank you.
Solemnly you speak.
Happy morning everyone. My name is Today's weather report is brought to you by Sharon Kirtan of Grade 7 Jasper. Minimum temperature 23 degrees Celsius. Maximum temperature 33 degrees Celsius. Partly cloudy. Thank you. Next my friend Sana will continue the thought.
Today's thought is brought to you by Sana of Grade 7 Jasper. And today's thought, believing in yourself is the first secret of success. I repeat once again, believing in yourself is the first secret of success. Thank you. Have a nice day. My friend will continue word.
It's on, you speak.
Happy morning to everyone. Today's word is brought to you by Venkatesh of Grade 7 Jasper. Word, asperity. It's a noun, meaning the quality being learn more. Friends, please spell after me. Asperity. A-S-P-E-R-I-T-Y. Asperity. Thank you. Have a good day.
Amazing facts are brought to you by V. Bhargavi of Grade 7 Jasper. Fact number 1. Our planet has more trees compared to stars in the solar system. Fact number 2. Headphones can increase the bacteria in your ears. Fact number 3. Most people fall asleep in 7 minutes. Fact number 4. Water can boil and freeze at the same time. Fact number 5. Starfish does not have a brain. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Today's GK questions are brought to you by Akshay of Grade 7 Jasper. Grade 6. The famous book Geet Govind is written by.
Wait 1 second, loud and clear.
I'll repeat my question. The famous book Geet Govind is written by. Sorry, you didn't pick the right answer, and the answer is Jaydev. Grade 7. Study of fruit is called. I'll repeat my question. Study of fruit is called. Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is pomology. Let us appreciate them. Grade 8. Which is the first film in India? I'll repeat my question. Which is the first film in India? Sorry, you didn't pick the right answer, and the answer is Raja Harishchandra. Grade 9. ICVL stands for. I'll repeat my question. ICVL stands for. Sorry, you didn't pick the right answer, and the answer is International Coal Ventures Limited. Grade 10. What does central nervous system consist of? I'll repeat my question. What does central nervous system consist of? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is brain and spinal cord. Let us appreciate them. Thank you. Have a marvelous morning.
Good morning to everyone. Today's information about Sir Isaac Newton is brought to you by Srinika of Grade 7 Jasper. Sir Isaac Newton was a great scientist from the history of world. He was born on 4 January 1643 at Lincolnshire in England. He was raised by his maternal grandmother. As a child, Newton was an excellent student and was interested in mathematics, science, and reading. He is best known for his three laws of motion and universal law of gravitation. Sir Isaac Newton invented calculus in 1665. He died on March 31, 1727. Sir Isaac Newton, one of the best minds of all the time. He also invented reflecting telescope in 1668. He wrote the mathematical principles of natural philosophy, commonly known as Principia. Sir Isaac Newton is an English physicist and mathematician and astronomer. He is also known as father of modern physics. Thank you. Have a great day.
Happy morning to all. Today's State as Sport News is brought to you by Vision of Grade II Hazel. State News. Next competition looms for teaching post in Telangana. Sport News. Sports News. India vs England live score World Cup 2023. India take on England in Lucknow toss coming up. Thank you. Today weather report is brought to you by and sheet from Grade II Hazel. Weather report. Maximum temperature 32 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature 28 degrees Celsius. Thank you. To all today about cricket is brought to you by Khalid of Grade II Hazel. About cricket. Sachin Tendulkar is known as Board of Cricket. Thank you. Today, good thought is brought to you by Humera Mahin. Today's thought is you are bigger than you believe and stronger than you seem, smarter than you think. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Today's good word is brought to you by Ishwar from Plateau Hazel. Today's good word, they live, eat many. Having life, friends, please tell after me. Alive. L-A-L-I-V-E. Alive. Thank you. Have a careful day. Good morning to all. Today's History of the Week is brought to you by K. Raj of Grade II Hazel. History of the Week. Southern Railway collects 22.7 lakh rupees fine on single day. India to resume some visa services in Canada. India needs national security strategy. PM Modi set foundation stone of multiple projects in Maharashtra. Thank you. Have a beautiful Monday. To all, my name is Sahasra. Today's amazing facts of snails can sleep up to 3 years. The opposite sides of the dice always add up to 7. Thank you. To all, today's GK questions are brought to you by Jayan. What is the weight of human eyes? I will repeat again. What is the weight of human eyes? Sorry, you didn't pick the right answer. The answer is 8 grams. When did man first land on the moon? I'll repeat my question. When did man first land in the moon? Sorry, you didn't pick the right answer. The answer is 19,069. Who is called the king of spiders? I'll repeat my question. Who is called the king of spiders? Sorry, you didn't pick the right answer. And the answer is black spidey. Which tree has on wood? I repeat again. Which tree has no wood? Yes, you picked the right answer. Let's appreciate them.